Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good day to you. That's depending where you are in the world. Sabbath blessings, one and all. We're doing the nighttime devotion from the devotional Maranatha. The title today, As It Was in the Days of Noah. Luke 17:26. As it was in the days of Noah, so shall it be also in the days of the Son of Man. I was shown that a terrible condition of things exists in our world. The angel of mercy is folding her wings, ready to depart. The law of God is made void. We see and hear of confusion and perplexity, want and famine, earthquakes and floods. Terrible outrages will be committed by men. Passion, not reason, bears sway. The wrath of God is upon the inhabitants of the world, who are fast becoming as corrupt as were the inhabitants of Sodom and Gomorrah. Already fire and flood are destroying thousands of lives, and the property that has been selfishly accumulated by the oppression of the poor. The Lord is soon to cut short his work and put an end to sin. Oh, that the scenes which have come before me of the iniquities practiced in these last days might make a deep impression on the minds of God's professing people. As it was in the days of Noah, so shall it be when the Son of Man shall be revealed. The Lord is removing his restrictions from the earth, and soon there will be death and destruction, increasing crime, cruel, evil working against the rich who have exalted themselves against the poor. Those who are without God's protection will find no safety in any place or position. Human agents are being trained and are using their inventive power to put in operation the most powerful machinery to wound and kill. Brothers and sisters, I make my appeal to you. The lives of many are too delicate and dainty. They think themselves Christians, but they do not know what practical Christian life signifies. What does it mean to be a Christian? It means to be Christ like, cooperate with God by working in harmony with Him, expel from the soul temple everything that assumes the form of an idol. Now is God's time, and His time is your time. Fight the good fight of faith, refusing to think or to talk unbelief. The world is to hear the last warning message. As it was in the days of Noah, and I've mentioned this a fair few times. God is retracting his protection, and he will do that. And it's happening gradually, but not completely. It will not be retracted completely until those who are to receive his seal have received it. And no, people do not receive a mark when it comes to the mark of the beast. No. There's no barcode, there's no tattoo, there's no chip. That is not the mark of the beast. The mark of the beast, okay, let's put it this way. Cold, when something is cold, it's only cold because there is no warmth. When there is no warmth, it is cold. So where there's no seal of God, by default, you receive the mark of the beast. It's not a physical thing, it's a spiritual thing. It's about who you serve, who you worship, who you idolize, for want of a better phrase. Do you look to God in everything you do? Or do you look at your money, your home, your career, actors, singers? Who do you aspire to be like? Who is your idol? Is it your dad, your brother, your sister, your mum, uncle, auntie, boss, colleague, or singer, actor? Who do you idolize? Who do you aspire to be like? Who do you look to? Well, whoever it is, if it's not our Creator, or if it's not Jesus who walked the earth with us, then you're not looking at the right place. If it's your money, your car, your career, your home, your house, I'm not going to say home, your home can be anywhere. Is it the house? Prioritize your time, your life, your thoughts. What is your priority in life? Where's your focus? Can you see the big picture? Or are you just looking at one particular cloud in the sky? Enjoy Sabbath.